Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma TS6550i. It's a multifunctional printer. You can print, copy, and scan. What I want to do is to show you ways to print documents and photo with this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your laptop or computer are connected together via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct. We connected both via wireless network. And also, this is Canon Print app. The printer is online. This is the ink level. To print documents, there are two ways to do this. The first option, go to File Explorer, select File Explorer, then go on the left side, select Document, or wherever you save the document, select on it, double-click the document to open. This is the document we want us to print, two-page document. To print it out, select printer icon on top, or you select Ctrl P on your laptop. Once you select Ctrl P, go on the left side, scroll down to select correct printer, Canon TX6550i series, ready. Select on it. Then use up or down to select number of copies. Layout, we want it in portrait. We want to print all pages. Then scroll down to select the color. We want to print this in color. Print on both sides. Select print on both sides. Long edge. Select more settings. Scroll down to select the paper as A4. We want to print the actual size or 100%. One page per sheet. Then select print. This is the document we printed, two-sided on File Explorer. Another method to print documents is for us to use Canon Print app. So close this. Then from Canon Print app, you select Document Print, then select Document, then type the document name. Once you type the document name, the documents available on your PC will show. Double-click the document to open. This is the document we want to print, two-page document. So the same document, then you go on the right side, select orientation as portrait. We want to print all. Media type, plain paper. We want to print it one-sided printing as we printed double-sided earlier. Quality, you can scroll down to select auto or high or standard. Standard is selected. Borderless. So borderless is on or off. So you can select borderless off or on. So borderless is on. Page layout, one-on-one. You can also select two-in-one. One-on-one. And want to print it in color. Paper source, casket. Then you select number of copies. Then select print. Then select print. So the document is printing. This is the document we printed out, borderless, single page in color. We printed the other one earlier, two-sided in color. Now I want to show you how to print photo. So to print photo, first of all, we need to load photo paper we want to use. We're going to remove A4 paper we have here. Then to print photo, you need to make sure the smooth part, glossy, or the printable area need to face down on the casket. Then adjust the paper guide. So this is 4x6. The printable area is facing down. Then reload the paper casket. Then it will show you 4x6 glossy. Then you select OK to confirm it. If you want, you can scroll down to select change. Once you select change, it will give you an option for you to select the paper 4x6. Then it will show you the type glossy. Then you select OK to confirm it. So this is how to change the paper. Now to print photo, we want to print using Canon Print app. So select photo print. Then go on the left side to select the photo or picture or wherever you save the photo. We want to select this, select on it, then select open. So the photo is now attaching. This is the photo we want to print out. Go on the right side, select the size as 4x6 or 10x15 centimeter. Orientation, select portrait. Media type, scroll down to select glossy photo paper, or if you have different paper, then you select the type. Quality, scroll down to select auto, high or standard. Borderless, you can select borderless on. This is borderless. If you want borderless off, you select off. Borderless is off. So I want us to print this borderless. So borderless is on. And color, we want to print it in color. Paper source, casket, then you select number of copies. Use up or down to select number of copies. Then select print. Select start printing. Printing is completed. This is the photo we printed out, borderless. You selected standard. So this is how to print document and photo from computer with this printer. Thank you very much indeed.